Now to that violent weather overnight that startled many Oklahomans awake.
While the metro escaped any significant damage, Ada was not so lucky. A confirmed tornado damaged roofs, knocked over trees, toppled power lines. News 4's Sydney Batzloff is on the ground in Ada.
From damaged structures to snapped power lines, you can see just how powerful this storm was. And this is just a small glimpse of the destruction being seen across Ada. One of the hardest hit areas, Main Street. Windows blown out, debris scattered. Business owners now left picking up the pieces. Many of the shops are local and family owned.
These are going to be days that they're going to have to be closed while they make repairs, and then they're also going to have to make the repairs, which are not cheap.
Down the street, the elementary school also hit hard, the roof torn off. The National Weather Service now confirming a tornado tore through Ada early Tuesday morning. Preliminary reports indicate it was an EF1. City officials say at least one person was hurt, and 24 families are now looking for a new place to stay.
We're working with other agencies to ensure that those displaced families have a place to go, not just for tonight, but for as long as it may take to ensure that they can be safe and secure.
While the destruction is significant, the town is promising to come back even stronger.
It's tragic, it's unfortunate, but we will be better because of it, just due to the resilience of those citizens.
If you don't have to get out, don't.
There are still some streets that are closed off due to debris on the streets. And as it gets dark, those streets that are already dangerous become even more dangerous.
In Ada, Sydney Batzloff, Oklahoma's News 4.
All right, Sydney, thank you. Oklahomans have been through it before, that's for sure. And also this, a Union Valley volunteer fire station near Stonewall took a direct hit. As you can see, there's not much left of the station. Right now, it's not clear if the engines were damaged by the tornado also.